Hello beautiful people, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to dissolve your African black soap using water. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, keep watching. I have two tutorials on my channel on how to dissolve your African black soap without using water. If you would like to check out those videos, I'll drop a link to those videos in the description box. But in this video, we're going to be using water to dissolve our black soap. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using my raw African black soap, of course. This is the Ghana black soap. You can also use the Nigerian black soap if that's what you have available. The very first thing we'll need to do is to cut our black soap into tiny chunks. This will make it easier to dissolve our black soap in the water. So I'm just going to use my hands to cut the black soap into really tiny pieces. You can also use a knife if that's more comfortable for you. I already weighed out the amount of black soap that I'll be using before I started cutting it into tiny chunks. So this is what we have here. This is our black soap now in really tiny pieces, and now we can go ahead and dissolve it. Now that it's in really small chunks, it will be easier to dissolve. To dissolve the black soap, I'm going to be using my distilled water. You can also make use of rose water for this, but don't use your tap water directly. I heated the water up, so this is warm distilled water. Make sure the water is not too hot. Right now we're just going to pour the warm distilled water or rose water into the black soap. Now the amount of water you add depends on how thick or how watery you want your liquid black soap to be. So if you want a very thick black soap, add just little water, but if you're making a very liquid black soap, then add enough water just like this. Now I'm just going to stir and make sure that my black soap is well immersed in the water. Now we are going to use the double boiling method to dissolve our black soap completely. So I'll just go ahead and drop my bowl in a pot of boiling water, and then I'm going to keep stirring continuously. As the water boils, it's going to help us dissolve our black soap gradually. So I'll just keep stirring, and as it heats up, it's going to dissolve. Now you have to be patient with this step because depending on the kind of black soap you are using, it might take a while for your soap to completely dissolve. So just keep stirring and your small chunks of black soap will begin to dissolve gradually. After about 20 minutes of continuous stirring, as you can see, the black soap is fully dissolved, and now we have a liquid black soap. But as you can see, there are still some chunks and dirt in the black soap. So now what we're going to do is to sieve this to get rid of every chaff in it. To strain the black soap, I'm going to be using my sieve, and then I'm just going to pour the liquid black soap into the sieve. And then as you can see, the sieve is going to get rid of all the dirt and all the chaff in the black soap. Now after sieving, here is what we have. This is our plain liquid black soap. There are no chaff or no chunks in the black soap. This liquid black soap can be used for a lot of things. You can use it just as it is. You can use it in making your body wash and shower gels. You can use it to make your hair shampoo. You can use it to make a lot of other things. If you'd like to see tutorials on how to use this liquid black soap to make your skincare or hair care products, let me know in the comment section and I will be sure to make those tutorials for you. If you watched this video till this point, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please hit that like button, drop a comment, subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell. Bye.